Question number 38. The table shows the number of nucleons and total number of particles, protons, neutrons and electrons. Total number of protons, neutrons and electrons. I'll write down here. Protons, neutrons plus electrons is here. And this will just be protons plus neutrons over here. Okay. Which two nuclides are isotopes of each other? So what I will do is I'll extend this table to get a correct answer. I want only electrons. What should I do? I should subtract this value from this value. When I do this, what do I get? 30 minus 19 is 11 here. 31 minus 19 is 12 here. 32 minus 21 will be 11 here. And this would be 31 minus 11 minus 2 is 9 over here. So this is what I get. Now, but that is, and this is the answer here. Yes, definitely. Because if I say that it is a 4 nuclide of neutral atoms, that means number of electrons should be equal to number of protons. Which means what? This also has number 11. This also has 11 over here. But this has 12 protons and this has 9 protons. So which means that in these cases, if something is varying, it can only be the neutrons. So what is an isotope? Isotope is one wherein you should have same proton, different neutron, right? So therefore, same proton, different neutron, so it should be W and Y. W and Y, where is it? Answer should be B. Okay.